Hello everyone, and this time let me describe the ways how we can add different blocks to our course. Let's consider our example, our course, which is Critical Thinking for Teachers. If you decide to add a section, you can add one. For this reason, you'll start with editing on these three dots. You click and you can edit your section. If you want to add anything, you can click here and topic 6 will appear. Okay, if you want to delete it, just click on this very part and you delete the session. And you see, it disappears. If you want to add anything here, let's say week 5, you are supposed to add different activities. When you go here, you see add an activity or resource. You click and you can find anything you wish. Let's say an assignment. You click here and you see assignment, create a lesson plan. And you can add some files, let's say examples. You can add different rubrics, or you can add templates here. And what's necessary to do here is to set different rules. Okay, for example, I'd like to start them from the 15th of February, and I will give you 1 week, and it means up to 22nd of February. And and I can have this reminding for me. Okay, so maximum number of upload files, no, not 20, let it be only 3 files maximum. And feedback types also, it could be audio recorder, yes, it could be the link, maybe, yes. And to submit, they are supposed to click the button and so on. And after that, I save and I move to the course back. Okay, if I make a mistake and if I do not need this part of my course, I click on edit on and delete. And yes, I prove that I do not need that. Also, we can see different other options. Let's say grades. Yes, and we can see all the participants here, the names, the addresses, how they are supposed to design their activities, and we can write the objectives, the level, describe the procedure, and so on. Okay, also we can define the rubrics, the criteria how to evaluate our activities. So we have the summary here, and we have supposed to see what we set it for our students. Okay. What is interesting about this very designing the course as a manager is that we can add videos, we can add discussions, we can add different tasks, let's say matching tasks here, and we can make teams. It's interesting. If you want our students to get into groups, create a new group, and the students can choose, let's say our group was VV5, and we can discuss let's say the topic, critical thinking for teachers. Okay, no mistakes. Okay, and we can click here and create a new group, or we can cancel and think about another title, another group. Yeah, and also we can have some other add some other resources and reflect on the course, let's say, and we can add additional resources. In this case, I added an article. It appears each page separately, and the students can read and learn from this one. Here is a webinar, and I advised my students to learn about critical thinking, practical application for critical thinking, so the learners can find these very materials, click to get the text in the form of presentations, slides, and as a text in PDF. And there are a lot of other resources and ways how to manage the course, and it's a very, very useful platform in these times when students are supposed to work offline so much. Thank you so much.